In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to leave a Discord server on PC. First step is to open the Discord app on your computer or navigate to the Discord website. Log in with your Discord account if you haven't already done so. 2. After logging in, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side on the screen. This sidebar displays a list of servers you're currently a member of. From the list, click on the server you want to leave. Once you've selected the server, its main page will appear on the screen. At the top of the page, you'll see the server name. Click on the server name to reveal a drop-down menu. And then, look for the Leave Server option and click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure if you want to leave the server. Review the pop-up message to ensure you're leaving the correct server, and if you're sure you want to leave, click on the Leave Server button in the pop-up window. Just make sure you're leaving the correct server, especially if you're a member of multiple servers, and leaving the server is permanent, so think about whether you really want to disconnect from the community before confirming the action. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.